How to add a picture to gallery view in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a picture to your gallery view in Notion. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get right into it. First, head over to your Notion workspace. This is where all your pages, projects, and wikis live. If you're not signed in yet, go to Notion's main website and click the login button. I'd recommend using the Continue with Google option. It's quick and works best if you're already logged into your Google account in your browser. Once you're in, you'll land on your Notion dashboard. Now go ahead and open the page that contains the gallery view where you want to add the picture. If you have a lot of pages like I do, it might take a second to find it. When you've opened your page, locate the gallery view section. On the top right of that gallery block, you'll see 3 little dots. Click on those. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Layout. This is where all your gallery display settings live. Now in the Layout settings, look for the option called Card Preview. This setting controls what gets shown on each gallery card. Select Page Content from the drop-down. What this does is tell Notion to pull any image from within the page itself and show it on the gallery card. Now go back into one of the individual pages in your gallery and upload or paste an image somewhere in the page content. Once you do that, Notion will automatically use that image as the preview in your gallery view. And that's it. You've just added a picture to your gallery view. It'll now be much easier to visually recognize each item in your Notion gallery, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or notes. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Notion tips. See you in the next video.